last night about 11 o'clock. Calm as anything. Got an alert on my phone saying, weather's approaching. I look at the radar and there's a little bit of a thunderstorm coming from a cold front. And I was like, I don't really want to go lower that tree down. Maybe I should. It's like, what I'll do is I'll open my window, my bedroom window, and just keep an eye out. If it starts getting breezy, I'll go out there and lower it down. Within 5 minutes from the time I opened the window, all of a sudden, just out of nowhere, crazy winds. Just unbelievable, probably about 30-mile-an-hour winds. So I run as fast as I can out here and I start lowering the tree down. It's still in one piece. But as I'm lowering it down, the section broke off. The ring. So the 2 hours I spent last night untangling and attaching and reconnecting and all that stuff, I'm going to have to do it again tonight. I don't really think anything else is damaged. Just part of the rings, the part of the ring had broken off. There's one section here, as you can see right there, all the way up. That's one piece. The pipe broke on one end, and one of the connectors broke on the other end. So I've got an extra connector, and I'll be able to just twist the pipe a little bit. So hopefully it's not going to be that big of a job. Still frustrating though. So I got a project to do this evening. I've got it unplugged, so when the show comes on, the tree's not going to be part of the show. But I got to go to work today. We'll get this taken care of tonight.
All right, it took me about 45 minutes tonight, mainly because I fixed it. I did extra work last night on zip tying every single light to the strand, so when it did break apart, all the lights stayed where they needed to be. They didn't get tangled up. So it is up and running, and only 2 songs into my show. The show just started, so can't really see me. I must say though, it is currently cold. Had that cold front come through that broke the tower. I don't think it got past 67 today, so it's a little chilly right now. And then tonight they're forecasting for the low 40s, so I mean, that's super cold for us here. Might be nice for you guys, but anyway, off to the next thing. Back it up. Tight turn on the parade route. Holidays are coming. Holidays are coming. Alright guys, we're taking in the local Christmas celebration. This is called the Festival of Lights or something. Local parade is what we just saw. Now we're going to go take a look at the carnival. Go see the Christmas tree, see what else they got Christmas-wise. Got my lights on. yet, but there it is. Hold back.
Ready? Oh, I think they are ready. 3 count. Hit it.
Oh, see?
Wait a minute.
One more. Nope. Nope. There we go.
All right.
When you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, better not cry. Baby, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane. Fixing and blitzing and all his reindeer pulling all the rain.
That's a big reef.
Well, that is throughout the entire year, so we're singing it as like Christmas every day.
All right. It is super expensive and super crowded out here, so we're gonna go ahead and call it. But it's a pretty cool experience. Let's see what else we're doing.
Good Sunday morning, everybody. It is December 2nd, and today, I don't know, last night we went to the festival. I don't know if you really heard much of anything over the noise and everything, but saw the parade. They had fireworks kickoff, as you saw. That was a pretty good time, but it was really crowded, really overpriced to do anything, so we cut out of there pretty early. Today we are going to a Dolphins game, so we're heading down to Miami here shortly. I just decided to lower the tree just a little bit. The forecast calls for 10 to 20 mile an hour winds today, which is a little high for my liking, especially since I'm not going to be here. Might as well get it down. So I lowered it, not completely, but lowered it to the point where part of the rain is on the roof there, and hopefully this will prevent any damage. And then when I get home, I'll just raise it back up. So maybe I'll see some Christmas stuff in Miami. I don't know, but and if I do, you know, I'll add it to the video.
Around until you find the sun.
There it is.
So exciting.
All right, I want to take this time to go ahead and cut this video here. It is Tuesday, December 4th, I think. It's been a little bit since I've actually edited the last video, so this video does obviously cover quite a bit of time, but there's not much been going on Christmas-wise. The show's been running flawlessly. But coming up in the next video, most likely you'll see we're trying to plan a season. We've already been to Universal for the holiday. However, we haven't taken the kids, so we're thinking about maybe taking the kids back to Universal just for the day, the end of this week. Also, we got a Christmas party to go to. Now, I do have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off. So because I have that time off, I'm going to hopefully use some of that time to edit some more songs. I have one of my channels go out on the Lightorama, and I would really like to start seeing if I can get those RGB arches looked at. Now, I said I was going to do that before, but I run into an issue where by the time I get home in the afternoon, my show is going or is getting ready to start, and I only have the one computer. So if I'm going to work on anything, I have to shut down the show. If I'm going to program a song, or if I'm going to try to fart around with the RGB arches, I have to stop the show, and I'm trying to avoid having to do that. So maybe on Sunday and definitely Monday, I'll make arrangements to work on that. So hopefully the next video you'll see will kind of consist of that. Coming up, and then in the future videos, we do plan on making a tour around to see some of the decorated homes in Port St. Lucie. There's quite a few that have a show and some other events going on. So there's still content coming. It just seems to be that it's going to slow down a little bit because I'm done in constructing, and now it's kind of just a maintain phase. So anyway, make sure you follow us on Instagram at Crazy Christmas Crew there, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.